everyone, welcome to this short Solidity tutorial. Today we'll be building our first two smart contracts on Ethereum using the Solidity programming language. First at all, I open the Remix Ethereum IDE, then create a new folder, Solidity course, then I create a new folder on it. First app. I create a new file that name is hello world.sol. Yeah, let's start it. This is hello world contract to learn a smart contract. First at all, this line is a license identifier. It tells the world what open source license you are using. In this case, it's the popular MIT license. Then, I define the version of Solidity is 0.8.28. I define a contract, hello world. This defines a new smart contract that's called hello world. Inside the contract, we have a string public greet equals hello world. This declares a public string variable named greet and sets its value to hello world. When deployed, this contract will store and expose that greeting on the blockchain. We can test it. Go to Solidity compiler, set version to 0.8.28. Check the autocompile, then wait to compile it. Okay, this is compiling. Okay, we can compile and deploy it on blockchain. I deploy it. This deployed successfully. We can copy the contract address. In this section, this is contract deployed address. Okay. When I click on greet, this called, then I can see the value of this. Hello world. Okay. This is a very simple code for Solidity. I also create another project that name is counter application.sol. Okay, I write this code first at all. Okay, contract counter application. Let's create a simple contract where you can get increment or decrement a number. I define a variable uint 256 public count. Then I can define a function get public view returns. Return type is uint 256. I write in the section view because this return a value. I write in the section return count. This return count variable value. I also define function increment public count plus equal 1. Another function for decrement public count minus equal 1. That's nice. If the count is 0 and someone tries to decrement it, this will cause an error. Solidity doesn't allow negative numbers in unsigned integer. Okay? Because I used unsigned. This only allow 0 and greater than 0 numbers. I tested Okay, the value is 0. I increment it. The count now is 1. Increment again. The count is 2. I can also decrement. Now the value is 1. Okay. Also, this function works for me. 1. This orange button that write on contract and decrease a value from my wallet, but this read contracts doesn't decrease a value from my wallet value. Okay. Be success. Thank you for watching and happy coding.